Half of them got it. Give me salt and pepper shaker. That's a good one. Well, you are all kinds of mean, aren't you? He's going to replace Simon on American Idol. Somebody's a grumpy boy. Is it you? Is it you, Jafar? Are you grumpy because you look like Lady Gaga? Nice feather. Brings out your evil. It's got two thumbs and needs a hug. This guy! Here comes the hug train! Check it. Pulling into the station. This is like hugging the Wicked Witch of the West. Look, are we through here?
We're just getting started.